What's happening in here?
We're having a little slime maker. It's called dry slime. I don't know why they call it dry slime, because it's not dry. But yeah, it's in a bucket. And I thought it already came with already made. And there's the bucket. And we already made 2 slimes. One was glowing dark one, and it had eyes in it. My mom is showing it right now.
So pretty looking.
Yeah.
Not.
I think I already showed you glowed in the dark. And yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. I thought we put glitter on it. Where's the glitter?
I don't see any glitter. I think it was too blue to see the glitter.
Darn.
Oh wait, I see a little bit of glitter.
Yes, a little.
Let me keep it.
All right.
Do you want to touch the slime?
You know, you'll be a really good pizza maker.
Oh, just to say that
it's very wet.
There's this app that's called Super Slime, and you can make your own slime on your phone or your iPad or anything device.
What was the app called for our viewers over here, so they would like to download it if they want to?
I think it was like, what was it? Super Slime. Super Slime.
All right, everyone.
This is at Target, and there's a bucket where the toy places are, and you'll see it has like, it looks like this. It's at Target. So I hope you share. I hope you have a good time playing with this when you get from Target. Bye-bye.
Bye.